All right, here we have a GE microwave. After cleaning or replacing your filter that's underneath the microwave, you need to reset the filter button. It's not smart. It doesn't automatically know that you've replaced a filter and put a new filter in or cleaned your filter. So you actually just hold this button for 3 seconds, like so. Hold for 3 seconds until it beeps. Now you've reset the filter button. You're good to go for another 5 or 6 months. All right, thanks for watching.